So hey everyone, this is the second part of Bootloader unlocking video. So my name is Chris and you watching Technical Chris. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can unlock Bootloader without a PC here. We have unlocked Bootloader with the help of any another Android phone. First, you can notice here I having another Android phone. Its name is Samsung S22 Ultra here. So if you having any Android phone, then you can do this same thing. So you have to simply search here me unlock GitHub. Meet me unlock tool GitHub. After that, you will get your second option, official 5 like this. And after that, tap on this link here. And after that, this type of interface appear here. So you have to install basically two application here, and you have to run two command here for unlocking bootloader here. First, you have to install here Termux application. After that, you have to install here Termux API application. After installing of both, you have to open Play Store, then tap on profile section, tap on play protection, tap on settings here, and after that you have to disable both toggle here. It will ask for biometric password or your secret pin here, so you have to enter here. After that, you can easily install both application here if you got any problem to install here. So after that, tap on download, and then you have to install both application in your device first, Termux and Termux API. After installing of Termux, then you have to select here a package installer here by default. Then you can install here a Termux API. After installing both application, you have to open here Termux, and if it will ask for some permission, then you have to allow all permission here. Then you have to run this command here, Termux setup storage. This command for storage permission here. If you run this command, then Termux are able to use your storage and install any drivers in your device here. So allow this permission here first. After that, go back, and you can notice here two command here. First command for Termux storage, second command for tool installation. So after running of first command, you have to copy her second command and paste in Termux, and it will take around maximum 5 to 10 minutes. So wait for installing this tool in your device here. So it depend upon your mobile phone speed, it depend upon your server speed, it depend upon your internet speed. So wait for complete installation. After that, this type of interface appear in front of you. You can notice here run command me unlock. So you have to simply enter here me unlock here. Okay, you have to simply put here me tool, not me unlock, me tool. After that, put a space and hit enter here. Then you can notice here 5 to 6 option appear here. So you simply have to run here first option here. So for running first option, you have to simply press here 1, and after that hit enter here. Then you can notice here this type of interface appear here. So simply you have to select your first option default here, and also you can choose another option of login here. It depend upon your choice, but I am going to recommend it here first option. So simply you have to tap on 1 and hit enter here. After that, you will redirect to any browser here. So simply you have to log in your same Xiaomi account which login in your device here. After that, this type of interface appear here. So then you have to minimize this application and go back in your Termux application. After that, it will ask for hit enter. So simply you have to hit enter here. Then it will waiting for your device. So after that, you have to take a proper backup of your device, and after that power of your device, because after unlocking of bootloader your device will entirely formatted here. So first take a proper backup, after that power of your device. Then you require a 1 data cable to connect both device. Before, you have to press and hold here power plus volume down button for fastboot mode here. Power plus volume down. Make sure you have to enable here USB debugging feature in developer option. If you not, then you have to enable first. After that, connect your both device here. After successfully connection, this type of pop-up appear in your case here. Allow Termux API to access Android. Okay, after that you have to tap on OK. Then it will ask for some time. After that, it will ask for confirmation. Then simply you have to hit enter here. Then you can notice here this type of token release here, like this type of all this process run. After that, your device will successfully unlock here. If here appear here for some time here, like 72 hours or any other time, so you have to wait for 72 hours. After that, you can apply same process in your device here. So you can notice here my device is successfully unlocked here. After that, you have to set up your device first, then you can run any root permission or like any custom ROM here. For confirmation, I'm going to enable developer option again here and tap on additional settings. Then in add developer option, in me unlock section, you can notice here device is unlocked here. It means our device is successfully unlocked here. By this process, you can easily unlock any Xiaomi, Redmi, POCO or Mi series device here. That's all about today's video. If you got this video helpful, then like this video and subscribe this channel. We will meet soon in another new video.